Your AC is running but your house is still warm? Try these simple tips to fix your AC without spending a dime. First, check your vents. If your vents are blocked by furniture, rugs, or any other item such as this box, your AC will be working overtime for no reason. Second is you want to make sure your louvers for your vent are open. If they're open, that means the AC will be blowing in your home, keeping your house cool. Also, in the summertime, make sure your louvers are faced up instead of outward so that the air can circulate better in your home. And lastly, dust buildup restricts airflow, so make sure to keep your vents clean. Second, clean around your AC unit. Your AC unit needs to breathe, and if there's leaves or debris blocking airflow, it won't allow it to cool efficiently. So remove leaves, branches, and tall grass at least 2 feet around your AC unit. And make sure to spray it down with a hose to remove any dirt or debris clogging up your coils. Third is using fans the right way. Your AC loves a little backup, but fans don't necessarily cool your home. They just move the cool air where you need it. So one of the things you can do is set your ceiling fan counterclockwise to pull the cool air up from the floor and disperse it down. Second, create a cross breeze. Open windows on opposite sides of your home when it's cooler outside. And third is the box fan trick. You can put a box fan in your window to take the hot air from inside and push it outside. Fourth, close the heat out. You might be letting heat in without realizing it. Closing blinds and curtains, especially on sun-facing windows, and avoid the oven, try grilling outside instead. Fifth, set your thermostat smartly. Small changes in how you set your thermostat can make a huge difference. Using auto mode instead of on lets your AC cycle more efficiently, instead of running 24/7. Also, consider using a smart thermostat. And just like that, your AC is running better with no added cost. If you gave these tips a try and your AC still isn't running right, give us a call or reach us at airdynamicscares.com.